All right, breaking news coming in. Arvinder Singh Lovely has joined the BJP days after quitting the Congress. He was the Congress's Delhi Congress chief, a dyed-in-the-wool Congress leader, somebody who was also a minister here in the national capital, somebody who's seen close to Sheila Dikshit, an old Congress politician jumping ship right in the middle of poll season. Remember, he had cited differences with the Congress High Command as well as differences with the Aam Aadmi Party, and saying that the Aam Aadmi Party got the lion's share as far as the alliance here in the national capital is concerned, and that outsiders were in fact given tickets by the Congress here in the national capital. In fact, Arvinder Lovely had also said that the AICC in charge of the national capital, Deepak Babaria, did not give him enough space, did not give him enough freedom to work here in the national capital, and that he did not have a say in major decisions of the alliance of the India bloc here in the national capital. So certainly a setback for the Congress party, bad optics certainly for the Congress here in the national capital. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress have an alliance here in Delhi, and after a lot of back and forth, that alliance was finalized. And Arvinder Singh Lovely now jumping ship, a major setback for the Congress. Ishika Verma is now joining us live on the phone line. So Ishika, this was perhaps expected, though Arvinder Lovely had said that he's not joining any party, but he will sort of interact with leaders and Karyakartas of the Congress before taking the next decision. But certainly a setback for the Congress here in Delhi.
Well, yes, certainly, a setback for the Congress party. Arvinder Singh Lovely, remember, just a few days ago, he had resigned from the post of the Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee head, saying, that he was upset with the alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party, and also with the, with the in charge that the top leadership had appointed, because there were a lot of leaders who had opposed this alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. So now, in fact, Arvinder Singh Lovely going back to the BJP is certainly a huge, a huge setback for the Congress party itself. So, especially considering the fact that Delhi goes to polls just later this month. So certainly, but we'll have to wait and watch, as to what impact will it actually have on the votes, because certainly a negative message is sent from the Congress side to the public, but the India Bloc Alliance, they continue to claim that this will have absolutely no impact on their campaigning or on their voters. Over to you.
Ishika, and also, Arvinder Lovely was with the BJP for a year, for a brief period between 2017 to 2018. But, by and large, he's seen as a dyed-in-the-wool Congress leader, a veteran Congress leader. But just take us through what really was the sticking point for him, because he made 2 points. One, that there was interference by the High Command, and secondly, that he did not have a say in the decisions of the alliance here in the national capital.
Well, yes, certainly, Vedant, as you very rightly pointed out, that at the time when, in fact, he resigned from the post of the Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee president, he, in fact, stated the reason that, first of all, the alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party, he was also one of the leaders, he claimed, who had opposed this alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party, because he said that the Aam Aadmi Party's, policies goes against that of Congress. And the second point that, in fact, he raised was certain, he had also attacked Deepak Babaria, who is the in charge of Delhi for the AICC, saying, that Deepak Babaria made sure that Arvinder Singh Lovely had no say while it came to sacking which leaders of the Congress party. He also, in fact, lashed out at, the Northeast candidate for the India bloc, that is Kanhaiya Kumar, and also for the Northwest candidate, that is Udit Raj, saying that both of these...
Oh, hold your thoughts there. I'm being told Arvinder Singh Lovely is currently addressing the media. Let's cut across.
मीडिया के साथियों, मैं सर्वप्रथम देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष नड्डा जी का और देश के गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी का दिल की गहराइयों से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने मुझे और तमाम हमारे इन साथियों को एक अवसर दिया है उस समय जब हम खुद सब लोग खोए खोए घूम रहे थे। उस मौके पे हमको अवसर दिया है कि हम इस राष्ट्र के निर्माण में और दिल्ली के लोगों की लड़ाई जो है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के बैनर में और आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में भारतीय जनता पार्टी जैसी सशक्त पार्टी में हम लोग जो है सब मिलकर कार्य कर सकें और इस लड़ाई को जो है वो आगे ले जाए। हम आज 5 वरिष्ठ साथी जरूर जो है हम लोग शामिल हुए हैं, लेकिन बहुत बड़ा लंबा काफिला है जो मजबूती के साथ चाहता है कि इस देश में जो है एक सशक्त सरकार बने। और दिल्ली में जिस तरीके का माहौल पिछले 7-8 सालों में हुआ है, उस माहौल से दिल्ली के लोगों को छुटकारा पाने के लिए हमसे जो योगदान बनेगा वो हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी में शामिल होकर प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में निश्चित तौर पे उस योगदान में जो कुछ हमसे बन पाएगा हम लोग करेंगे। और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है, जहां इसमें तो कोई शक शुबा ही नहीं है कि देश के अंदर भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार भारी बहुमत से बन रही है, आने वाले दिनों में दिल्ली में भी जो है परचम भारतीय जनता पार्टी का जो है वो फहरेगा। मैं तमाम लीडर्स का दिल की गहराइयों से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मेरा आदरणीय हरदीप पुरी जी से आग्रह है कि जो हमारे साथी आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी में शामिल हो रहे हैं उनका भी शब्दों के माध्यम से स्वागत करें और मीडिया के साथियों को भी संबोधित करें।
तावडे जी, अनिल भाई, अनिल जी, आपने कहा कि आज बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एक ज्वाइनिंग है और मैं आपसे कुछ दिल की बातें रखना चाहता हूं। पर्सनली मेरे लिए आज बहुत एक स्पेशल।
All right, so Arvinder Singh Lovely there joining the BJP in the presence of the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva, of course, also Union Minister Hardeep Puri present there. So a big setback to the Congress, certainly bad optics, as I said. Arvinder Singh Lovely earlier had said that there were differences over the workings of the alliance in the national capital, as well as the interference of the High Command, Deepak Babaria, who was the AICC in charge here in the national capital. So a lot of, there was speculation whether he will return to the BJP, because he had a brief stint with the BJP earlier as well. So many thought that this would be like a foregone conclusion that Arvinder Singh Lovely would return to the BJP. How does it actually impact the India alliance here in the national capital? Remember, it's a 4:3 alliance between the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. So certainly, tough times ahead for the India bloc, with the Chief Minister in jail and the top Delhi Congress leader switching sides to the BJP.